আসসালামু আলাইকুম এবিসি লার্নিং ইয়ারে সবাইকে স্বাগতম। প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, আজকে আমরা শিখব ডায়লগ অ্যাবাউট সিটি লাইফ ভার্সেস ভিলেজ লাইফ, অর্থাৎ গ্রাম্য জীবন বনাম শহরে জীবন। তাহলে চলো শুরু করা যাক।
Hello, Sunil. How are you?
Hi Natasha. I'm fine. And you?
Thank you, I am also fine. Sunil, what do you think about city life and village life?
There are great differences between city life and village life. Village life is natural but city life is artificial. But there are some facilities in city which are not available in village.
It's true that city life is full of luxury and facility. But environment of city is much polluted.
Yes, village environment is fresh, but if you are ill, you will have to go to town to meet doctor.
It's true. But environment of village will keep you fit.
I agree with you.
When you are bored of your city life and you want some sort of relief from city life, only a village can pacify your mind.
This is also true. Can you deny the advantages of modernism?
I don't mean that. I just want to say that village life is much better than city life.
What are your other points?
You see, people of city are much busy. They are almost emotionless. Day by day they are becoming much disintegrated.
But village has some problems, too. Most of the villagers are illiterate. They don't know any way to live well.
But villages are the producer of food. Sunil, city people possess all educational institution and administration.
And both of them have some advantages and disadvantages.
Exactly, but at all village life is better to live a healthy life.
Thank you very much for your nice company.
You're most welcome.